Imagine a world where money has no border, no central bank, and no middleman to tell you what you can and cannot do with your wealth. This story begins back in 2008 when the world was facing massive financial crisis to the point that majority of people started losing trust in the bank. And right within the chaos, a mysterious group came up with a white paper that changed money forever. That white paper introduced what we know today as Bitcoin cryptocurrency. A cryptocurrency is a digital money that lives in the internet. It is secured with advanced mathematics known as cryptography. And this cryptocurrency it builds in a system known as the blockchain. To further understand what cryptocurrency is, let us consider the normal fiat currency that we use in our day-to-day transaction. For a fiat currency to be in existence, the government will have to print these currencies and circulate it. And apart from the physical notes that you do have, there's a digital version that represents the fiat currencies, which is the one that is used in the bank and whenever you are doing transfer on your mobile banking app and so on. But this digital version of this fiat currency represent the notes that we have physically. Cryptocurrency, on the other hand, does not represent any fiat currency on the real world, although there are some cryptocurrency that are pegged to fiat currency, example USDT, USDC, and so on. Here's how it works in a simple term. Whenever you send money to somebody, the transaction that you perform, which is a transfer transaction, is recorded on a public global ledger. And the best part is that it is trustless, meaning you don't have to trust anyone. The code that runs the blockchain makes sure that everything works correctly. In 2009, Bitcoin was launched and people laugh at it, calling it magic internet money. But behind the scene, Bitcoin introduced a revolution. A fixed supply of 21 million coins, no CEO and no central authority. Open source, permissionless, and borderless. Then it comes other coins like the Litecoin, which was faster than the Bitcoin, the Ethereum, which introduced smart contract, in which we are going to dig deeper during this course. Initial coin offering NFTs and decentralized finance. By the end of this course, you won't just know how to trade cryptocurrency. You will understand why it exists, where it came from, and how to use it to build your own financial independence. This is not just about charts and coins. It's about taking back control in a digital age.